All right guys, I'm gonna show you how to put on the Annex from Front Runner. I sent them an email and they said they don't have any printed instructions, which I find a bit odd. This is not easy. They said, oh, it's easy, just line it up. It's not. So I'm gonna make a video to show you what to do. First thing, it comes in 2 pieces, this, and then a bottom part you can choose to have on or off. We just put it on right now. What you wanna be mindful of. First thing is, as the tent is closed, you wanna slide this piece of black cloth across the little gap. There's a gap that you'll see there. So this is how you know where it goes, first of all. Second piece is, these come attached to this. You wanna take them off and then slide them in. And then what you wanna do is look at the edges. So right here where it has these pieces, and where like this one doesn't have it here, it has it at the edge. So I actually gotta change these now because I didn't do it the right way. And you gotta make sure they line up with the zipper. Once you have that, it's pretty easy. Before you open the tent, you're gonna slide this thing through here, open the tent, just line up the zipper and zip it, and then you're done. It's really, really easy. But getting it right was a pain in the ass, and given that I didn't find a single video on making it. So I gotta fix it, as I mentioned earlier. So you're gonna see this gap right here. It's the same lining that you have. You're gonna stick this black cloth. It's, again, the same thing as you do over there, except these can actually stay on the tent. So once you have them on, you don't need to take them off. This you do, these you don't. So this, once you slide it in right here. So now once you've put these the right way, which is how they're supposed to be, again, it's pretty easy. You just line them up with the zipper, right? And you start zipping up. There you go. We're gonna go to the other side. Do the exact same thing. Again, you keep these on, right? You don't take these off when you take the tent on and off, or when you open and close it, I should say. And that's it. You should have a gap right here. Now this, again, I put on the bottom part already. This is another, it's a full-blown zipper, but in the middle. So on the middle right here, but on the opposite side, you'll see that there's the same entrance. So you're just gonna set it down. I would put this up and then put the bottom piece and zip it all the way around. Now, let me show you what the inside looks like. I'm 5'10", if you're 6 feet, you may have to just crouch a little bit. What you do here, for example, is open this up and have door access to your car, right? So if I needed to, I could unzip this and have, you know, your clothes, whatever you need here. The zipper piece I mentioned, right? Like this is where you get it together to zip it up. So you start this way, go all the way around and here, and then that way you don't have to worry about this. You can just open and close this up. Now that I've struggled through it, it is very simple, but I'm a little shocked that they don't come with instructions because this took a while to figure out. Hopefully this video helps you out. If you're thinking about buying it, it's actually pretty cool and it gives you a lot of space to like hang out, change and stuff. All right, it's hot. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you next week.